if we have different base and same power, what we can do with that particular exponents. So let us see some examples. Suppose, let it be like this: 2 to the power 3 multiplied with 3 to the power 3. So we know that the base that is different. In some sense we have 2 and in other case we have 3. But we have same power. So let us evaluate this as usual. We know that 2 cube that is equal to 8 and 3 cube that is equal to 27. And if I find the value of 8 multiplied with 27, it is equal to something like this, 216. And we know what is the value, what is 216? It's a perfect cube and it is a cube root of 6 cube. 6 cube is equal to 216. So I can write this one as 6 cube. Now similarly, we can go for another one. 5 square multiplied with 3 square. Here also we have same power but we have different base. Okay. So what is 5 square? It is 25 and 3 square which is 9. And 25 multiplied with 9 which is equal to 225. And what is 225? It is 15 square. Now similarly, let us go for another one. 7 cube multiplied with 3 cube. We have 343 multiplied with 27 and that is equal to 9261 which is equal to 21 cube. So from this result we can conjecture something. The terms which are here we have 2, here we have 3, there we have 6. Here we have 5, here we have 3, that is 15. Here 7, 3 and it is 21. So if we have same power and different base, in general we can conjecture a result. In general we can say that a to the power n multiplied with b to the power n, that is equal to ab to the power n. So this is the result that we have conjectured from these examples. So it's useful for solving a lot of problems too. Now let us go for another one. And there is another one, it is a to the power n upon b to the power n, which is equal to a upon b the whole to the power n. If we have different base but same power n and it is in the form of division. So we are doing this method, a by b whole raised to n. Let us see an example. What is 7 cube upon 8 cube? It is equal to 7 upon 8 the whole cube. Okay. Now what is 2 by 8 the whole to the power 4? Now in this case I can write 2 by 8 as 1 by 4. Right, I can cancel out 2 from both sides, so it's equal to 1 over 4. And it is 1 over 4 the whole raised to 4. But what is 1 over 4 the whole raised to 4, which is equal to 1 over 4, 1 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 4. What is 1 to the power 4? It is 1 itself and 4 to the power 4. Now next, 1 by 2 square the whole raised to 4. We have seen a result that if we have a raised to m the whole raised to n, it is equal to a raised to m multiplied with n. This is of something like this. You have a here, a raised to m the whole raised to n. So you can multiply these two terms. So this is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 8. And you can also write 1 over 2 raised to 8 as 2 raised to minus 8, because this is of the form a raised to 0, 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0 upon 2 raised to 8, which is equal to 2 raised to 0 minus 8, and that is equal to 2 raised to minus 8. Now 3 over 27 the whole cube. What is 3 over 27 the whole cube? You can cancel out 3 from numerator and denominator. The remaining will be 1 over 9, right? Something like this. Here, let us move slowly. We have 3 cube divided by 27 cube. Okay, I have chosen this step. So 3 cube divided by 27 cube. Now what is 27 cube? 27, it is 3 cube, right? 3 cube the whole cube, right? Now we know this is of the form a raised to m the whole raised to n. And what is that? You can write this as x, the numerator remains as such, and in the denominator part it is 3 raised to m the whole raised to n. So 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So 3 raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 9. You have same base and different power. So you can use our formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n, 3 minus 9, which is equal to 3 raised to minus 6. It can also be written as 1 over 3 raised to 6 also. So this is the way how we tackle this problem. That means if we have different base and same power, we are using this technique, and so that is equal to 3. So this is the technique. That means a by b whole raised to n, that is equal to a raised to n upon b raised to n.